Welcome to Permanent Marker Life Hacks. I'm Jon Klay. Ever come home and you see your kids had drawn on your whiteboard with Sharpie or permanent marker? We all know that trick where you can just draw on top of it with dry erase marker and that'll be all good. That's all dandy and all. But what if you don't have a dry erase marker? What can you do? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Alright, now here we have a permanent marker. It's going to draw on the whiteboard real quick. Now if you use a regular towel, it's not going to work. But if you go around your house and you find some lemon juice, and you just apply it to the thing right here, you get that real good. It'll do wonders. Look at that. Good as new. Alright, now let's say you don't got lemon juice at your house, and you still got to get that smudge off your board. Well, get your kids plain dough, and watch. Now this will also do wonders. Now, it's not as smooth as the lemon, but beggars can't be choosers. But not everything around the house will work. Watch. Here, I have a dry scrubby. Smears it a little. Nothing that doesn't work. But if I grab one of these, works like a charm. For those of you wondering how things work, the acidity in the lemon actually breaks down the dye compounds, releasing the enzymes, which makes it possible for the lemon to erase the permanent marker. The one y'all are probably questioning is the Play-Doh. Well, the borax in the Play-Doh actually disintegrates the ink on the permanent marker, and it just completely erases it. For the generic cleaning eraser, it actually has microfiber scrubs that will microscopically destroy the ink. Those are just a few examples of things laying around the house that you could use to clean up your whiteboard. Remember, this is Permanent Marker Life Hacks with Jon Klay. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.